this is part 1 of Snow Day. So let's go. I did not sleep good. What time is it? 5 a.m. What? How is it only 5 a.m.? Oh my god. Ooh. Oh, it's freezing. Oh, wait, let me put a sweater on. Probably just a little chilly getting out of bed. It's so cold. Oh my god. It's a little better, but still it's freezing. Is there like a snowstorm or something? Look at the weather. It's -5 outside. Oh my god. Oh my god, we're gonna freeze to death. That's like Celsius weather. We're in Fahrenheit. How is it? What? Oh my god, I'm so cold. That doesn't help either. Oh my god. Oh, I'm so cold. I'm gonna wake up Carlos or Luca. Oh, it's so cold. Oh, alligators. Luca, wake up, please. What do you want? It is so cold. Oh my god, it's freezing. I know, that's why I'm trying to wake you up. Why is it so cold? I don't know. But how warm is it out? I don't know. Oh, it's -5. What do you mean it's -5? That's like below Celsius. I know it's below Celsius. Let's wake up Carlos. Carlos, wake up, you weirdo. Wake up. Oh my god, what is wrong? Whoa, it is very cold in here. It's not that cold as I sweater, but still, it's quite cold. What? Why are you guys waking me up? I'm trying to sleep. No, cold is my blanket. It's -5. Whoa, it's -5? Yeah, it's -5, you weirdo. What do you think it would be? I'm sorry, just, whoa, that's cold. I know. It's only 5 a.m., guys. What do? We can't wake up Mom or Dad. We can't wake up twins either. We're gonna start crying. Chunky's still sleeping. What do we do? Let's watch TV. On the balcony? No, wait, it's frozen out there. You're right. Oh, I'm so annoyed. Do you guys want to read the journal? What do you mean read the journal? We're not 25. I'm pretty sure 25-year-olds don't read the journal either. I'm pretty sure it's like 75-year-olds. Does it matter? I'm so cold. Is school canceled? How am I supposed to know? Don't you have a phone? Yeah. Don't you have a phone? Don't y'all have a phone? I mean, I'm sorry, I'm so out of it. What? Don't you have a phone? I'm sorry, what? Oh, yeah. Yes, I have a phone, but it doesn't say, like, that if school's canceled or not. It doesn't? No, it doesn't. Put on wraps. Maybe that'll make us better. We're not very pretty, are they? Doesn't matter, Luca. We're just frozen. What else do you want us to do? You're right. Let's turn on some lights. Maybe that'll make us feel better. What do you mean make us feel better? Just turn the lights on. Fine. It's so cold. No, it's frozen out here. Why is it so cold? I don't know. Stop asking me these questions. Sorry, I'm just curious. If anybody was cold, I think they'd ask the same questions. There must be a snowstorm or something. Hey, we're in Florida. I'm sorry, Mrs. Know-It-All. What do? I don't know. You're the oldest here. We're all pretty much the same age to start off. Just what do we do? I guess we can go downstairs and wake up Mom or Dad. Why? Just do something. Okay? You're such an irresponsible weirdo. Oh, you try being me some days, eh? Anyways, thank you. That's part 1 of Snowstorm, and part 2 will be posted maybe tomorrow. Bye.